In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Hubspot from Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving away from Hubspot or simply want to tidy up your account settings, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're on the home page of Gmail where you can see your emails and all the familiar functions. This step ensures that you're in the right place to access your Google account settings. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, you should see your account profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon usually features your profile picture if you've uploaded one, otherwise it might just be a generic avatar or your initial. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your Google account. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to select the Manage Your Google Account option. Clicking this will redirect you to your Google Account settings page, which is the central hub for all things related to your Google account, including privacy, security, and personalization options. Once you're viewing your Google account page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you need to select Security. The security section is where you'll find settings related to securing your account, including managing access for third-party applications connected to your Google account. After clicking on Security, scroll down until you find the option labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click on this option and it will bring up a list of all the third-party services and apps that currently have access to your Google account. This is where you can manage, review, or as in this case, remove unwanted connections. Now you should see Hubspot listed among these third-party connections. Click on Hubspot to view more details about the connection, including what kind of access it has to your account. Finally, you'll see the option to delete all connections you have with Hubspot. Clicking on this final option will effectively remove any access Hubspot has to your Gmail account. Make sure you're comfortable with this action because it will sever the connection entirely and might affect any integrations you currently have. There you have it, a clean and simple way to remove Hubspot from your Gmail account. By following these steps, you've taken control over your account settings and ensured your data privacy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.